If you are trying to create a solid SaaS plan or an offer for your customers, using the SaaS add-ons can really help you in GoHighLevel. So if you remember previously, if you had to offer WhatsApp, Yext, WordPress, or even the client portal application, you would have to enable rebilling. You can of course dial in your margins, but your customers had to go into their sub account and then buy it separately, right? So these were just extra steps to get that service, and on the customer's part, it was too long of a process. So what if you can build all of that into your SaaS plan? You can calculate your margins and then you just bundle it together. So when you're offering a SaaS account to your customers, they would get the WordPress hosting, the WhatsApp, the Yext listing, or the client portal app built into it, and they don't have to touch a thing. Of course, you will be billed for it, but you can dial that into your margins and then offer it as one solid product that your customers can just take up, and they don't have to go into all the setups and extra steps. If that's something that you're looking for, let's dive into the setup and I'll show you exactly how to accomplish this. So I'm in my agency account here, and of course this is for the 497 or the SaaS plans only. So I'm in the SaaS configurator and I'm going to edit one of the existing plans here. So let me just click on edit details, and you will now see we have an add-ons option or tab. So if you click on that, you will see 4 options that we have. It clearly says here that you will be charged for deploying these services. So if I pick any of these, anybody who buys this package will get this built into it. So they won't be charged for it because, if you go to the reselling tab right here, you will be able to see like what do these services cost. So for Yext, we will be billed $30. For WhatsApp, it's going to be $10 a month. Same goes for WordPress. The basic package goes for $10 a month. Now there will be no rebilling because you are adding these as an add-on into your plan. So you will have to consider these costs. Let's say you only offer Yext, WhatsApp, and WordPress into it, and you don't want to offer the client portal app. So if you select the 3 of these, based on the pricing we have here, so it will be $10 for this, 10 for this, and 30 for this. So $50 a month will be going from your pocket if somebody buys this plan. So when you are pricing this whole thing into the pricing section, just make sure that you have those margins dialed in. So you can raise the price by maybe $50, or you can play around with the price based on how you want to calculate your margins. So that's just a heads up that you will be billed for any of this. So let's say instead of 197, I can do 250 for monthly, and then I can also raise the price here to, let's say, 2500. So you can adjust these prices and click on save changes. And then for the add-ons as well, just make sure that you select the ones that you want to bundle into this. Once you have those selected, you can click on save changes here. And once this is all done, if somebody buys this package, they will get all of these 3 services as part of the package, and they won't have to go and pay for each of these individually, of course, which will save your customers a ton of time and effort, making your products or offers more attractive to them. That was about this video. Do explore the add-ons option and create attracting offers for your customers. This is Sama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.